Am I live? Okay, I think I'm live. Hey guys, today we are gonna do something which a lot of people have been doing nowadays, and it's called vibe coding. So, the key to vibe coding is you have to guide AI into doing the work for you, and you're not supposed to write a single line of code, no matter how frustrating it gets. If, for example, we make some small changes, I will not be writing code on my own, and you will try to create a very polished landing page for, let's say there's a SaaS company which creates AI agents, since that's all the rage nowadays. AI agent for what? Hmm, let's say, yeah, let's just say that company makes AI agents for you, customized to your business. Let's just say that. It's very generic. AI agents for gaming. How would you use them in gaming? Anyway, stream sniping? Hmm. Okay, let's create a landing page for a SaaS company which provides AI agents which would allow, which do stream sniping on your behalf. So they would be watching Twitch streams of your competitors, and they will give you updates on where they're hiding, where they're going, something like that. We can also make this AI agent, but today we are focused on the landing page for it. I'm using Copilot, and I prefer to use nowadays Claude 3.7 Sonnet Thinking. Uh, okay, I guess let's start. I have created an empty Git repository. This time I will go side by side. Okay, so first, if you decide on something, what would be the design be like? Right. Since it's so ideally they would be targeting gamers themselves. So it would have to be something which probably dark colors like steam kind of colors and in general trendy and should have cards and etc. Let's start with the basic structure. Uh, let's say create a landing page for a SaaS company which provides AI agents to do stream sniping, where we describe the agent. The agent watches Twitch streams or competitors, competitors, and keeps track of their location what they are doing, etc., and gives you routine updates to strategize in a competitive match, game or match. I don't want it to think that I'm talking about a football match, competitive game. It's just a competitive online game. Let's see what happens. What does it come up with? Do I now? Okay, now before we press enter, we have to decide what framework to use. I would rather, um, I would prefer to go with Next.js and Tailwind, but I think for this starting project, let's keep it simple and make it just standard HTML CSS. Let's just see what happens. Let's just your vibe coding. I would not ask agent edit. Oh, this is a new feature. Oh, actually, yeah. Let's do this. Okay. No, I'm gonna do this one. Edit one. We will try agent next time. Another mode you have. Send with code base. Of course, send with code base. Well, it does its thing. It's a blank repository. Of course, you're not gonna find anything at that time. Intel AI. Oh, sorry. Stream Intel AI. I confuse it with the Intel processor brand. I'm still streaming. Okay. Am I audible? All right. So what do we do while it's generating the edits? By the way, streams sniping is a sure short way to get you banned from whatever game you're playing, so don't do it. This is just for, you know, testing out an idea, just for fun, learning things. Let's see, meet something. Oh, I have not given it any design knowledge, no color palette, nothing. Let's see what it comes up with first. And meanwhile, I will have my coffee. So it's creating an HTML page, a CSS file, in JavaScript, pretty standard. Ensuring design is modern, professional, and highlights why I wanted to be professional. Not at all. Definitely not modern. I would want it to be futuristic and gamer friendly. I'm not sure if that should be professional. It would be. Let's see what it did. Keep those files. Let's go live. This is bad. Anyway, yeah, I hate it. It made something. All right. Oh, wait. Let me move this to this to my separate side, I think. Okay. Let's check the content first. Uh, Also, if we swap things around a bit, not just better. That's better. Okay. Gain the content environment, intelligence of advanced AI monitors here. Raster locations, real-time tactical intelligence. All right. So now it's a good start. The content is not bad. It's quite accurate. Such a product would actually be insane if we really make it, to be honest. All right, now let's update the design. Content, So my idea of vibe coding is I talk to the AI as if it's actually an engineer I'm working with. So I will use language similar to that. Hopefully that works. However, the content is on the right track. However, the design is too simplistic. I should, okay, yeah, it's got it. I'm gonna re-say this since we'll be cutting it out and editing it. Let's rewind it. Okay, I come with something, and the content is pretty accurate. The design could be better. It's pretty basic, pretty bare bones. So let's focus on the design first. The design is too simplistic. I want it to make it more futuristic and gamer friendly. Can I give any inspiration? Uh, think dark, vibrant colors, maybe with subtle background animations and relevant hero background. Let's try this. Before making any changes, it's best to just stage whatever you're doing in case it screws things up. So you have at least minor back what you're doing. Let's see what it pulls off. It's still generating. Lucky timing for a call, actually. Can I see what it's doing? This is the file which already exists. It's editing it. Oh, now it's doing it. Hmm. I do not like the color palette it has decided. Pink, cyan, light green. Oh, sorry, that's success and danger. Okay, it's the cyan, magenta, and orange. Yeah, I am not too sure about that. Let's see. The best thing about this is that at any point, if I think the page is just not going anywhere, I will not mind deleting everything and starting fresh because I didn't add a single thing. accept the text in English. Let's see, no time. What are you doing, buddy? Oh, it is making some glitch effect with the magenta and cyan. Interesting. Oh, I see. Nice. Could be good. Response hit the. Hmm, no problem. What I'm gonna do is first keep them, save all, and tell it to just continue and not give it the current context. That is not bad actually, but continue. This looks good. This looks good. Why is there is no logo? I mean, I could simply replace the file, but the challenge is that I don't have to do anything, not even replace the image. To be honest, this is a nice. Oh, yeah, that looks good. This is nice. This is actually very nice. Battlefield reports. Nice, 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 nice. Is the service against Twitch TOS? Absolutely, it is. I'm pretty sure it is. I'm pretty sure this is a lie. But pretty sure. All right. Uh, keep. Let's see. File save. How is story saved? Never mind. Did it? Hmm. Okay. Something is off. This is cool. It's actually quite nice. Okay, now let's fix some basic things. First of all, I don't think it should be in the center, in the side. And actually commit it. Let's commit this. I like where this is going. Uh, basic structure, color palette, and what else? Content. Commit this. I'm not publishing this branch right now. If anyone would like to get the code for this, I can make it available on GitHub. Let's continue. I want to shift this to the left side. This should go there. All right. Should we focus on one problem at a time, or let's first try all at once? The zero section, the what is this? Stats? The okay. I need to tell it what it is because this is HUD element. The HUD element is making the what are you? You are hero content. Is making the hero content to the center. Ideally, the HUD element should be experimenting without in the background. Okay, I think that should work. Let's try. But I need more coffee. Mm. Hmm. So far, so good. Um, we should also probably split up the styles file into multiple parts because I think it being one large file, it's recreating the file each time. So yeah, I've noticed one thing. Like, so if you make even a small change, it doesn't change that specific section of the file. It recreates the whole file, which makes sense. It's a language model. So ideally, for fast development, you should be splitting your files into small. In any project, you should be splitting files into modules for better management and maintenance. And it has an added benefit of making things faster. Let's do this after it fixes this because it's I told it to make a small change, and it's even if it changed like 10 lines, it's still recreating the entire file. I am assuming that it's making a small change. Let's see what happens. This was a very nice animation. The glitch effect, I like it. It actually looks cool. Does something like this exist? Let's check. Which streams? I really don't think should exist. Okay, call the person store, right? Okay, let's continue. Let's see what it did. Ella, yeah, I was right. It made a very small change, but it had to recreate the entire file. So next time we will be splitting this into two. And what the? Okay, sorry, did not save it. No, I did save it. It did nothing. That's not. Okay, I get. Okay, so what it's trying to do? What are you trying to do? You're trying to do nothing. What did you change? Position absolutes, that's correct. Other parent element. Component. Oh, okay. Hmm. I think. Wait, is this? Am I cheating? By inspecting element, am I cheating? Because I'm not vibing anymore. I'm actually analyzing what went wrong. Hmm. This is a gap. That's right. Why is this not applied? Okay, because position relative is but we just check one thing real quick. I was right. Where is the other element? Ah, there you are. Oh, now it's there. I see. Now, since I know what's wrong, should I tell it the solution and ask it to apply it? Or should I vibe the solution? Let's try vibing first. That didn't work. Okay. Let me just commit, not commit stage. Hmm. I hope you figure it out. I need more coffee. I don't think it gets it. Wait, did it? Hold up. What added the inline relative here? In the when I was inspecting the element, not here, because it's not here. Is it something wrong here? Just want to confirm. For the scanning line effect. I see. Okay, okay. So this is the problem. But it thinks the positioning is the problem. Now I have to get it to the solution without giving it the solution. I'm not paying $10 a month for doing the work myself. That that did nothing. Hmm, okay. How do I get it to arrive at the solution without giving it the solution? Okay, let's try this. That didn't work. Check the. I will give a hint. I will give a hint. Check if the script doesn't. Script is not impacting the style in any way. Check if the script for the animation. Actually, no. Check if the animation. Let's not give it an outright solution. That didn't work. check if the animation isn't not impacting. The animation is impacting the style. Anyway, if you remove the animation based on this prompt, oh, you got it. Nice. Hold up. It actually got it. But does it work? Hmm. But now it's there. It should be there. Just commit this. Oh, okay. Oh no. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. That's actually fine. It's good. Hero styling fix. Uh, why are you not coming up? Because you don't exist or you're corrupted? You don't exist. Wait. Required assets. Can you let's just try. Can you add the required assets yourself? To pause things. After pausing this, my Amazon delivery. I'll be back. Hi guys, I am back. Alright, let's continue. Assets. Can you add the required assets yourself? Add or create? Would the agent mode work for this? First, let's just try this. I have committed everything. Yeah, cool. Hmm. Not place, not placeholder assets, actual assets. But let's see what it's doing. Is that? Achha, that's the alt text. I am not so sure what it's doing because it's an error occurred. Drafters. I don't think it can do it. Let it will get things done and then we will do something about it. Some tiny more coffee. But the layout is good. It has animations. It has fake news. Hmm. This is built very nicely. Let's check the responsiveness. Mhm. No, it is. This is not good. But the rest of the page is responsive by default. This is blocking the social links in mobile view, but you can click on it. So this is something which is of an opinion. But okay, anyway, let's first test things. Oh, you saved them already. So, what did you add? You actually did a lot of stuff. It actually created those images. Nice. But where are they in the page? Why are you not in the page? The assets seem to be missing from. Just want to confirm. It's a single page, right? This goes to the. Yeah, right. Okay. There seems to be missing. Let me save these assets. I actually like them. Seems to be missing from the landing page, right? Oh, you made a guide. Implementation cannot get in. Why? Where is it? It's inside assets. .html. You want me to Okay, so let's do one thing. Let's use the SVGs as is in the landing page. Please go ahead and integrate the assets. Hmm. Assets created. It's committed before it deletes them. I need more coffee. So, but if it could create the SVGs, why would you want me to convert them to PNG? Because some browsers don't support SVGs. If your browser doesn't support SVG, you should upgrade your browser. The size differences, they're not too heavy, right? Show me the code. How do I? Hmm. Let's code view SVG code. Do text files. Open with. Oh, yeah, these are not heavy. It's just text. Let me clean up my workspace a bit, and it's still working. Let's see. Hmm. Don't carry on. Do it faster. Get there faster. In the meantime, I think it's turned out pretty nicely. It's not much to do here. Was this responsive? Oh, it was. We do have to fix this. The header in mobile view. Mm, it's not good. So what we can do for the mobile version? Where's the hamburger? Okay. So this needs to go away or go below that. This button would need to be smaller, and there should be hamburger here. Ideally, the hamburger icon should also be as flashy as the rest of the page. Everything else seems good. Is this a carousel or okay, just two? Should be a carousel. What else do we have here? Give me a moment. Okay, let's continue. Let's see. What did you do? Keep it saved. Okay, so this is a new VS Code update. The previous version, it did not save automatically. This looks cool. I like it. Let me refresh it. Just in this. Oh, not bad. Not bad at all. That is cool. That is very cool. That is nice. Okay. Now let me commit this before making any changes. changes. Commit early, commit often, save early, save often. It's a rule to live by. Assets integrated, integrated. Okay, what next? What's up? For the mobile version, you have to fix the header. On the mobile, what about tablet? So I have refused this thing. Okay, from 841. Let's take 850 to be safe. Um, there is an issue in I just delete directly. It's there should be a hamburger drop down menu below 850px. Make sure the hamburger icon and drop down menu along with its animations are trendy, are consistent with the what design, no, edginess of the design, no, consistent with the design. Let's go. Let me just double check everything. Should okay, I didn't check the. Hold up. Oh, that's not good. Oh, that's bad. Why is bad? Let me refresh. Okay, this is fine. This is fine. This is fine. This is good. This is fine. This works. This works. I like this animation. This is bad. I think I did at the scale. Did you initial scale? You did at initial scale. I could just change this value and experiment, but I am not supposed to change the code. Let's see. What did you do? Okay, you're still doing it. All right. I'm recording, right? Yeah, okay. Okay, command email. Okay, while it's doing that, let's actually check what content has it made for us. I really would give it a good read. Gain the tactical edge with AI-powered stream intelligence. So advanced AI monitors your. Never mind. Let's keep the files first. What the? What? What is this? What is this? What did you do? This is so bad. What is this? 994 deletions, 100 insertions. You deleted the styles. What? Oh, oh yeah, discard. Actually, restart. Let's read into this. Please I'm just close these files. You are not safe. This is why you should always commit after any change you like, because it will randomly decide to just that it doesn't, it just wants to undo everything it did. Why do you have 18 deletions? What did you do? What have you done? Why would you remove the CTA? Will it put it down? Okay, let's see what did you do. Okay, you fixed things this time. Let me double check. No, no, no. Just, just, just go away. I'll do it myself. Okay, wait, discarding. Let's restart. Hamburger. Only the hamburger. The hamburger menu should be visible below 850px. That's all you have to do. Nothing else. Don't save anything for now. Why are you open? Hmm. 985 editions, 164 deletions. And what the heck is this? What? Redo it. You know what? Close all. Okay. I don't want to see what you're screwing up. The funny thing is, if I set out to add a hamburger menu, a mobile responsive manner, it would be faster for me to do it by hand because I would just copy paste it from somewhere. Okay, so far so good. I need more coffee. Anyway, that joke's getting old. Okay, you have done something. I hope it's not going to screw the entire site. I'm hoping. Why do why? Why do you hate yourself? Why? 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 Discard. Okay, let's rethink this. First of all, let me check if there is a hamburger here. I don't know, let me just hide this. Actually, let's do it this way. Okay, you are sign up. So for the form. Okay, go away. There is no. Okay, let's keep it very simple. The mobile version of the mapbar doesn't uh, have a hamburger menu. Please add uh, the deploy agent button would also be moved in that menu in the mobile view. All right. Below it, please close this. Let's see what happens. I will adjust the hamburger menu implementation. There is no hamburger menu implementation. Oh, should I
The
wait?
time is 6 o'clock p.m.
Before making it responsive, should we split the files? I think because of the size of the file, it could be an issue when it's creating the edits for it. You know what? Let's do that first. If it screws up, which I think it will. And I really feel in terms of making a site responsive, it's hold up. Where is this? Where are the graphics? You undo in 12. What 12? Okay, we are splitting the files first. The styles dot CSS file is too large. Please split up into modules, bundles, smaller CSS files, specifically into smaller modules, preferably. Uh, I think let's just try this first. Preferably section wise, component wise. We got the right idea. It's splitting it base, component, layout, header, sections, and footer, animations, and responsive, all different. That is a very good breakdown if you do it correctly. If you don't delete everything, please don't delete everything. Okay, I need water. I'll be back. So far, so good. Every time it's funny how the actual page took like two prompts, and then going forward, it's why did it flicker? Anyway, what? What did you do now? You know what? First we keep. Okay, let's check. This has changed. This has changed. This has changed. This is fine. Are you kid? Are you kidding me? Why does it? Okay, you have split the styles. But the styles have also split you, it seems. That doesn't make any sense. You have split the styles, but they don't seem to be applied, either applied or are missing from the index sort of flow. I'm not. I should stage this, I think, but it's wrong, so it doesn't matter. I will not stage it. Hmm. Hmm. You're right. Of course, I'm right. Addition should complete the remaining CSS files. Oh, you did not do it? But it. Let's see. But wait a minute. It said it is completing the remaining section CSS files. So why did it not do it in the first time? If it went over the limit, it would have told me and I would have just continued. It just messed out. Let me check it out. Okay, okay, good. Everything works as intended. Cool, cool, it works. Everything works. These variables don't exist. Hmm. Cool, this is good. This is good. But this changed. This should have been here. Now, why did that change? Is the question. First, let me commit this. Let's start with contain division. Submodules. Submodules. Okay. Um, in the hero section, the bottom HUD element. I hope it knows which one is the bottom one. I will tell it anyway. Tracking. Actually, the real reason is the height. The hero section's height exceeds the viewport.